Hi guys, welcome to TV Topper, another podcast. And today we have Shruti from Bihar, Muzaffarpur, and she got All India rank 18, and her score is nothing but 124 marks out of 150. She is the outside Maharashtra student. Then also she managed to score 124 marks. Hi Shruti,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How you are feeling after hitting 124 and got All India rank 18?
So I'm on cloud nine. I'm very, very happy after I got this score, and I sort of expected this. And along with me,
Okay.
my parents are very happy.
Parents are more happy than you.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so parents help you in your preparation?
They supported me. They were with my decision, but like the preparation which I did, it was all along with means I did that. My parents did not teach me or something, but they financially and all of that moral support they did give me that.
That is again one kind of a more important thing which is required during the entrance preparation. So Shruti, start we'll be discussing many questions. Before I start, tell me about from where you got this idea to go for the law field.
Actually, it wasn't ever decided. I have done my 12th from PCMB. I'm from science
Science.
background. Yeah,
Okay.
and after I did my 12th, I decided that okay, I'm not very much interested in the science stream. I have to go for something else. And the skills which I have, like I believe I'm good in speaking, reading, writing. I have good communication skills, and these are
Mhm.
all very much required in law. Also for pursuing the BA LLB course, and as well as very much important in the career as well. That is why I thought that I can go for this.
Okay, okay. So can you brief me about your schooling and 11, 10th and 12th?
Yes, sir. I did my schooling till 10th standard. I was in Bareilly, UP. I did my schooling from GRM school. And after
Okay.
that, I went to Karnataka, Hubli. There I completed my 12th. That was from Karnataka board with
Okay.
PCMB stream. And after that, I came here. I am in Nagpur currently, and I prepared from my home and gave this exam.
Okay, okay. So Shruti's father is in PNB Bank. That is what she's shifting from place to place. Bareilly, then Karnataka, then Maharashtra, Nagpur. So this is what
Yeah.
the shifting is happening. Okay. So Shruti, tell me your preparation planning. What planning you had done, and what was your daily routine in terms of the preparation, and what are the law entrance you have been through?
So I started my preparation very early. I started from July 2019 after I took a drop, and I was going very well. But the rigorous preparation started from November 2019, and at that time, CLAD pattern did not means it wasn't changed, and I was preparing smoothly. But then the pattern changed. I had to, change all my plans. For talking about particularly MHCET, I used to subject wise if I go. For English, I used to read newspapers. Reading newspapers and revising the basic grammar concepts would do the English part for MHCT. Second, maths. Maths is basic. This year, maths was very, very easy. That
For
would
you,
suffice.
for you, it is easy because you're a science stream student. Okay.
No, I really found that easy, and it was means yeah, I found that easy. I don't know, well, some people fear maths, but for me it was easy. Also because I practiced it, I was in touch with maths all through my preparation. Talking about next subject, legal, there are principal fact based questions. So
Correct.
for that, reading newspaper would be very, very helpful. Along with that, we have to keep practicing those questions. Solving 10 to 15 questions daily would be very helpful.
Mhm.
And please, means I would like to specially mention that we have to be in touch with legal knowledge as well. This year
Right.
there weren't any legal knowledge questions, but they may pop up. Any coming year, in any coming exam, they may come. And the
Right.
questions like First Attorney General of India, all that we need to be thorough with that. So I practiced them before my MSCT. I revised that as well.
Mhm.
Then going to logical reasoning. Logical MSCT tends to ask some very complex puzzles. This year also the whole logical reasoning section was full of puzzles only. And I was first initially I was weak at puzzles, but then I started solving 5 puzzles daily. This was my fixed routine, 5 puzzles daily. And then
Okay.
I used to time it, like in 5 minutes I have to solve a puzzle, then in 3 minutes I have to solve a puzzle. And this way I improved at it.
Wow.
And
Wonderful.
any subject left? I think
Uh,
GK. Yeah, GK. Current GK, you have to be in touch with it daily. Websites like GK Today and all that. Newspaper will be very helpful. And static GK,
which newspaper you used to read?
I used to read Indian Express regularly.
Regularly Indian Express. Okay.
Yeah. And static GK is something like I would say I was lacking over there because CLAD pattern changed and then static GK wasn't required there. So that's why I sort of did static GK, but the questions that were asked this year, they were very basic. Those questions, I think I knew some of them and others I guessed. But yes, that did my job. Static GK means, I mean to say that you need to be touching that as well.
And for reading comprehension, because in English, like reading comprehension, people face the problem. So what
Yeah.
you have done for that?
So reading comprehension, I would say actually I'm inherently good at English from my school. Yeah.
Okay.
So and reading newspapers helped me in that. Like you, if you start reading long texts, you'll be habitual of reading them and you'll start understanding them. Also, I used to write. I take any topic and I used to write on that. I used to show it to my father, and then that improved my language skills as well. And then comprehension would definitely improve if we are in touch with newspapers. Like for MHCT, reading newspapers regularly and trying to understand, especially the editorials,
Okay.
understand what is written would suffice.
Correct. Correct. Before you return the real exam, have you been through any mock test?
Yeah, MHCT mock tests.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've given 7 to 8 mock tests for MHCT because primarily I was preparing for CLAT. I focused on all the 4 exams, but yes, primarily I was preparing for CLAT, and I did give mock tests for MHCT.
So what was your highest score in the mock test?
I scored 120.
Highest was 120.
Yeah,
And in real exam, it is 124.
yeah.
4 marks increment. What was your mock test strategy? And did you apply the same in your real exam?
Yes, I did apply the same strategy in my real exam as well. As I said that I'm good at reading and comprehension and all that. So tried to solve all the comprehension part in the first hour, like GK, which required English, GK, English and legal, all of that in the first part. And I'm a bit slow at solving. I don't have that mathematical mind, and I did find maths easy, but yes, I'm not very pro at it. So I just kept the another hour reserved for logical reasoning and maths. The puzzles, I need time to figure them out, because the puzzles this year, they had like 2 to 3 possibilities for each puzzle, and to solve them we need time. So I kept 1 hour aside for logical reasoning and maths. In the initial 1 hour I solved all the reading part.
So which section you started first in the real exam, and which section you kept it for the last? Section by
I
section, if I talk about.
Yeah, I started with GK. It took me 6 to 7 minutes. There are just, if I know them, I mark them. If I didn't know them, I guess them and I move forward. And then I went to English, then legal reasoning, then maths, and then at last logical reasoning.
In that also puzzle you kept in the last house.
Puzzles at the last. Puzzles at the
So
last I
sad.
kept.
So you
Yeah.
managed to solve entire 150 question in
Yeah.
120 minutes.
Yeah. My paper wasn't like ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि छूट गया. I solved all the questions. Some
Okay.
questions I visited twice or thrice also.
Okay. Okay. Great. So which means your speed were good. You were good. You have maintained
Yeah.
your speed.
Yeah.
What tips and suggestion you want to give to all the upcoming year aspirant, those who are preparing for MSCET, other and the other law entrance like CLAT, for symbiosis, there is a SLAT, ALET.
Yeah. First of all, I would say be consistent with your preparation. This is a general thing which I'm saying. Studying 10 hours every alternate day and studying 5 hours every day, I think the latter is better. You don't have to, study all the things in one day and then the other day rest. You should be consistent. Secondly, if I go subject by subject, as I've told, reading newspapers would be of a great help in almost all the subjects except for maths. Like logical also, critical reasoning would be very helpful.
What you think, what mistake you, any kind of a mistake which you have done, which you want to tell to the all the viewers who are watching this video?
Yeah, I did commit mistakes during my preparation. The first one was I was like very much ready for the exams that were about to come, like in March. First or second March, I was like, up to sab revise karna, and I was planning all of that. But then on 23rd March, we had a lockdown announced in the whole country. Because of that, I was frustrated because I was preparing for a year. And suddenly, when I realized the exams are just getting postponed and postponed, MHCET was supposed to be the first exam of the year, and it happened so late. So
Right.
during the lockdown, I think I was a bit ignorant about my studies, just because I was studying for a year, and after that exams are just being postponed. So that is why I would like to say that we are in a situation in which we don't there's no certainty, and I faced that. So please be consistent with your preparation, no matter how much the exam gets postponed.
So guys, I hope you have understood how, if you want to become a topper, want to get good rank, good score, So this is how you have to prepare, the way Shruti have done her preparation. And also she have share her mistakes, preparation strategy, and mock strategy and everything. So I hope you must have learned something from this video. All the very best, and thank you. Thank you, Shruti, for joining and sharing your experience.
Thank you, sir.